Let's dive into some maths GCSE practice questions to help you prepare for your exams. In this question, Connor is the presenter of a weekly radio show. He always plays 3 new songs for every 2 old songs. Last week, he played 4 old songs. To calculate the number of new songs he played, we have to make this a ratio. Since the ratio is 3 to 2, we will multiply both sides by 2. The answer is 6. Practicing past papers and questions helps reinforce concepts and improve your speed and accuracy. In this question, the ratio of sheep to cows on a farm is 5 to 2. To work out the fraction of animals that are sheep, we have to add the ratio. Since 5 plus 2 is 7, our denominator is 7. Our numerator is 5 because it is in the original ratio. Our answer is 5 over 7. Miriam, Awa, and Catalina share a sum of money. Miriam gets a quarter of the money, Awa gets a third of the money, and Catalina gets the rest. State the ratio of Miriam's share to Awa's share to Catalina's share. To solve this, we have to make our fractions have a common denominator. In this case, the denominator is 12. When we add the fractions, we get 7 over 12. We subtract 7 over 12 from 1 whole, or 12 over 12. We get 5 over 12. We will write the numerators as our answer, 3 to 4 to 5. Put the following measurements in order, starting with the smallest, 600 millimeters, 8,600 centimeters, and 8 meters. We will convert all of these to centimeters. 600 millimeters is 60 centimeters, and 8 meters is 800 centimeters. After the conversion, we determine the smallest number to largest number. We put the original number in the answer space. Our answer is 600 millimeters, 8 meters, and 8,600 centimeters. If you would like help with your maths, contact Thompson Education at www.thompsoneducate.com.